Well, hello YouTube. Did you know that you can use your smartphone or your laptop or your tablet to replace your remote if you've lost your remote or you just would like to have an extra one around? Well, you can. Today I'm going to show you guys just how to use your smartphone as an auxiliary remote for your Roku device. Okay guys, I'm going to show you now how to control your Roku device with your smartphone. You can go into your Play Store. This is an Android too, by the way. It's not an iOS. iOS is Apple, and this is Android, Samsung. So what I'm going to do is go into the Play Store, go into the search bar, and then hit in Roku. And then it'll go ahead and pop up. See the Roku right there? Click on that. Then hit install. And wait for it to download. And make sure that your Roku is on the same network, or is on. If you don't have your remote, then you can unplug the thing and plug it back up, and it'll be on, so that you can pick it up if you don't have a remote at all. When this menu comes open, you want to just open the app, and then we have to go this way. So, and these are terms of service. You can read them if you want. I'll give you a second to read them if you want. Alright, cool. That's about how much I read them anyway. Okay, now it's going to search your Wi-Fi connection for devices in your house. And then whichever device you're trying to control. This is the one in my living room, so I'm going to click on that. And then just hit remote. And then there's your remote. It's controlling your Roku device. As I hit sideways, it's controlling up there too. I can't really put both of them in the picture, but you get the point. Now I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to look up this video because I'm getting ready to upload it. So if you've lost your remote, you can use your laptop, as I made a video earlier about. You can use a tablet, you can use an iOS, which is Apple products, use an Android smartphone. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if this helped you.